USB flash drive contents replaced with a single shortcut. I was confused when I opened my flash drive. All I saw was a shortcut with its target as c:/windows/system32.exe$word.fat32_ldr@16 desktop.ani-ret-tls. You may refer to the images I uploaded below. It shows the contents of the flash drive. The command prompt shows the hidden contents. You can see there that there is a with a blank name. It contains the contents of the flash drive. That directory also has a desktop.ini inside it with this as contents. Unlike the first desktop.ini found at the root of the flash drive, it has some kind of binary contents which frankly I don't know how to paste here. So I just uploaded the contents of the flash drive here, so you can view it yourself. Another weird thing is the autorun.inf, which has only 0 bytes, is being used by the worker.exe. You may refer to the second image below. Has anyone experienced this too? I already tried reformatting and reinserting the flash drive, but still no luck. I hashed the desktop.ini, the binary-like one, and searched for it. It pointed me these links which was just posted a few days ago. This URL, desktop.ini, binary, D80646BAC5F90F7EBA3F46D3F30BF426. I scanned the desktop.ini in VirusTotal. You may see the result here. McAfee GW edition detected it as a heuristic.behaves-like.exploit.codeexec.c. I viewed the handles of workout.exe in the Process Explorer and saw the autorun.inf is being used by the exe. You may also notice that a file from the temp folder is opened. appdata/local/temp/mstosm.pif. Here is the scan of that pif file from VirusTotal. Here is an online copy of the pif file, and lastly, a random file that was generated after I ran the pif file. I use Sandbox.
Use the command prompt to copy your files to your internal HDD. Make sure you have a virus software installed and fully updated before doing this, and then scan the files before formatting the drive, and then put the files back on the drive.
I successfully removed it a few days back already. Though I just posted this one right now. Here is how I removed the backdoor from my computer. This URL. Just realized that the question itself is not a very good question. It is something more of a topic for discussion. Thanks for the protection though.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.